before she becomes an adult, but she seems to be a relatively small pit for her age. And my gosh, she's just she's just so gorgeous, and she's sitting here and being so complacent and wonderful. She's got a nice medium-low energy right now. I mean, she was playing around with toys. She really likes toys, but if it comes to toys versus human cuddling, she's gonna pick the latter. So her favorite thing is to cuddle up with her humans. She thinks she's a lap dog. She'll just settle down right there and stay there for as long as you want. She walks pretty well on leash, but she could benefit from additional training, just like any puppy. We think any puppy would do well with basic doggy training skills, so that she can become a great adult canine citizen in the world. She gets along really well with other dogs as well. She got a 24 out of 25 on her shelter administered temperament test, which means that she's just excellent with people and dogs, both big and small. So she's just amazing in any respect. A perfect puppy if you're looking for a younger dog that's got some puppy playfulness, but also a nice mellow character as well. Oh man, she likes those shoulder rubs. This is a diva right here. This is a diva in the making. It's absolutely fitting with her name. JLo is the perfect name for this girl. She's available at the Baldwin Park Animal Care Center today, so please come and adopt. And I mean, you can't get much better than this. I mean, she's ready to fall asleep right here. So